a leaked image. Yeah, you buy one get one free. This is the new Rocket Light for $67 up from $169. New DeWalt, yes, they are leaked images of new DeWalt deals, and also buy one get one frees, and a lot of clearance. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook for more video tool reviews and deals. All right, so 27 down from 99. This is an edger attachment for the Craftsman. Then we have some more stuff being dropped. You got some other SKU item numbers, and but I'll show you guys the DeWalt. It's coming up. So this is the clearance section here, $17. This is for the skill. This is an edger, guy. This is a 4-cycle 30cc. This is $59.72 down from $239. It's a wheeled edger. Just for the engine itself, guys. If you guys want to do some projects, go-kart projects, it's a 4-cycle engine. So definitely check that one out. All right, so and then this one, they got the scrubber here for 39 bucks or 39.75 or something like that. Make sure you always check the appliance department, because they always got all sorts of items. You never know what you're gonna find here. And the Roomba, if you guys know, have one of those. $4.49 on clearance from $7.49. You got the Impact tool combo kit, $159 down from $199 from the Bosch. So it's pretty nice. You got the Paint Eater from Wagner. So this one's $59 up from $79. This is the clearance section. They got several different clearance sections here. $13.47 for the groove joints, 12-inch, and then $10.77 for the 10 inches. You got 8-inch for the cable pliers. All right, so these Irwins, $10.17 for the 8-inch cutters. That's it right there, pretty nice. And then they got this oscillating blade set. It's not bad at all. This was $15.77 for the Rockwell. Not bad at all. And then you got the right angle here, $18.57 up from $30. It's a 90-degree pocket. You got $6.97 for the 4-way for the Reese. It's an adapter, 4-way adapter. And then you got this Linux screwdrivers, a quick flip. This was $10. A screwdriver, 9-in-1 screwdriver for $8 down from $10. Then you got these really nice gloves. These are impact resistant. These are 1048. So 1048 down from 14 on those. You got the mechanics, $8 down from 17. This is the brown gloves. And then 722 down from 28, commercial grade gloves. All right, you got some ladder sale. This is was 169. This was a 14.3 reach. 14 feet reach, basically. And then this one's a 22 reach. This one's a little bigger. That one's 300 bucks. And then you got the 220 there for the last one. That one's 18 feet reach. All right, some clearance. This one's Cobalt 415 lumen work lights, $13. Down from 21, not bad at all. It does have a magnetic base, and it does have a cable adapter there. All right, they got these on sale. These are $29.98 for that half-size organizer. These are really nice platform to get into, not break the bank. $59.98 for the K-Stack medium, and then you got the full organizer for $44.98, and then you got $49.98 for the small box. And then for the 2-drawer, you got $119. They're actually flipped. The stickers are flipped. That's the 2-drawer right there. And you got the medium toolbox for $59. And or if you want something a little cheaper, you can get the 3-piece for $99. This is a Craftsman toolboxes. And then you got the trade stack on the top there for $64.98. This is a little bit better than the one on the bottom. For these totes, $49. And then this one's $29.98 down for $49. It's a oscillating blade set. Comes with a nice case. Then you got the Klein Tools tape measure, compact, 25-footer. This was $12. Not bad at all. It is labeled on both sides. I really like the color change, and it does have a nice stop there on the bottom. Very easy to reach. You got this one on clearance, 36 bolt Metabo circular saw. This one's 143 down from 179. It's on clearance. You got some DeWalt shirts. If you like sporting the yellow, then 1998. That's the red, blue. All right, and then this, I don't know if it's on sale or not. They had it at the front of the store. I just want to say that this one's one of the nicest saws out there. Still one of the leaders in miter saws. So this one's $649 for the double slider compound miter saw. All right, so buy one get one free. You buy any of the tools, get a free starter kit. Still available on the Flex. However, there's some clearance items, guys. Like this one, $67 up from $169. I believe the rear, $99 a piece for these compact impact driver or drill driver. And then you got these on clearance. These are some Bosch bits. These are really nice. $13.47 down from $17. 24 piece, and then you got the Bosch buy one get one free. Get a free 4 amp hour starter kit. And then you got these sockets on clearance for $41. And then, yes, guys, we did see one of the circular saws right at the end of the aisle. And it's $67 from $169. So, pretty nice whoever's going to get that. Here's another one that they're going to be putting out. It says set date 8/5/2024. So, they're still a month ahead, I guess. A few days ahead. $79. And then this one's $59. These are all on clearance, these scales. These are pretty solid tools. Definitely recommended for the DIY. $79 down from $129 on that one. And then you got this 3-piece 4-inch multi-cutter blades. And then $47.50 down from $119 for the lithium-ion battery. That was the Craftsman, by the way. Sorry, I didn't get the image. And they got this one. This one's really expensive, still at the clearance price. But check this out. This is the hybrid light from the Cobalt, $24.72, down from $98. That's a really good deal. If you're on this line, jump on this one. I was gonna get it, but I already have too many lights. And then check out this, guys. This is the new rocket light for the Cobalt. This one's $179. They call it the Tower Light, the 24-volt Tower Light. So very similar to the rocket light from the Milwaukee. And it is 3,000 lumens on high, 12-hour runtime. And then if you want to compare it to this one, this was the DeWalt rocket light. This one's $229. And they have a few available there. And then they got the TrueFlex Twin Featherboard from the Craig, $24 on clearance. That's what it looks like. And then if you want to get a better picture of that rocket light, there it is. So you're able to pivot the heads, the 3 different heads, and just like the Milwaukee, you can raise it up and down. And it does have the button there at the bottom, but yeah, only battery powered. It's not, you cannot plug in an extension. So this one's on clearance for $111, down from $139. Then you got the battery and the impact driver and drill driver for $143, which is a really, really good deal. These are brushless RPs. These are great tools, especially for a DIY prosumer. You got $58 up from $64 for the gunmetal 3/8 drive. And then, guys, check this out. This is a leaked image. You can say it's a leaked image because it was covered up. Yes. And these are the new deals, the new DeWalt deals that are coming up. And they're hidden because they're not going to be out yet. But yeah, you buy one, get one free. So you buy any of the tools, get a free 5 amp hour battery. I don't know if you can buy that 2-tool combo kit and get a free tool. But that 5 amp hour battery is definitely free with the purchase of any of these tools. And you got the oscillating tool. You got the one-handed reciprocating saw. You got the ratchet. So there's a whole bunch of new tools. Or not new tools, but there's a whole bunch of new promos that they're going to be having for the DeWalts. This is the older one. This is one's $149 each. So I'll definitely save my money and wait for the other one. Because they're going to have that, obviously the free battery with the purchase. And I don't know about the kit if it's going to have a free battery or not. Alright, so they got a whole bunch of right angle drills or right angle adapters. And then they got a whole bunch of these blades, guys, $19. I would definitely, if you guys do that professionally, use that miter saw professionally, stock up on those blades. They're only under $20. This was $150, down from $179. It's a drill, and then they got this one made in the USA, $169. It's a drill kit, impact driver kit, and then they got some accessories here for the ATVs or UTVs. $22 for these, some sort of holder or something. UTV cover, and then they got this one's on clearance. External pocket, 6 internal pockets. Anyways, that's it for today. You guys have a great weekend. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.